Hey neighbors, how's your smart home coming along? Don't worry because we've got you covered. This is Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. And today, we'll uncover a Mommillennial's favorite time-saving and cost-efficient everyday smart devices with Nanay Aisha! Nanay Aisha!
Hi, Justin!
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing great!
Hi, welcome to Next Upgrade!
Thank you! Hi, neighbors! And hello, mga Ears Loves! Ready na ba kayo to discover yung mga top smart devices that I love and use every day sa bahay? Malaking tulong ito sa aming pamilya, so I hope makatulong rin sa inyo.
Okay, so Nanay Aisha, before we start, ano yung mga considerations mo or yung mga qualifications mo for buying smart home gadgets?
Oh, good question, Justin. First of all, mga ka-neighbors, ang kino-consider ko is yung cost. So, as much as possible, kailangan pasok siya sa budget.
Naman.
And second is, nagbabasa ako ng mga reviews tungkol sa efficiency and effectiveness kasi syempre gusto ko worth it talaga yung bibilin na magagamit talaga namin siya sa bahay. And last but not the least is yung durability. Alam natin yan, gusto natin magagamit natin siya long term para talagang sulit na sulit.
Diba? Very, very good, very good. But, you know, I think for some people, medyo daunting yung pag-switch into a smart home, no? How did you get started sa smart devices mo?
For me, since ang priority ko is yung budget, one at a time lang muna. So, meron akong list of priorities. Kung ano yung nasa pinaka-top, siya muna. Like, for example, yung una is yung CCTV.
Okay.
So, yun yung first smart devices. And then, yun, kung ano lang yung sumunod para hindi din masyadong masakit sa bulsa. Yeah. So, eto na, Justin! I-share ko na sa'yo yung mga favorite smart devices ko na sa tingin ko magugustuhan mo rin.
Feeling ko rin. Oh, sige, super excited na ako, Nanay Aish. Ano yung first item natin?
First item, ito yung favorite namin, family bonding time. Especially yung mga off days namin and long weekends. Lagi kami nakaharap dito. As in, pag day off namin, buong araw.
Salamin.
Hindi.
Smartphone.
No.
Tablet.
Hindi din.
Mas malaki.
Yes.
Smart TV siguro yan, Nanay Aish, no?
Correct. Yes, tama. And it is this one. Ito yung Sony Smart TV 85-inch.
Wow. Okay, so Nanay Aish, explain muna natin sa mga neighbors natin, no? Is a smart TV better than a regular TV?
Absolutely, 100% Justin. Kasi alam nyo, ang ganda. It has Ultra HD picture, kaya yung quality niya superb. It feels like you're watching sa sinihan. And also, you can get access to your favorite streaming app in one place lang yan, ha? And since it is a smart TV, you can simply use your voice pag gusto mo mag-search ng mga titles. So, sobrang dali,
So,
Justin.
may voice assistant.
And also, cinematic siya, plus ang immersive ng audio. Kasi it has yung acoustic surface audio plus. And it also support Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos. Uy, bigatin yung Dolby Atmos, ha? Smart theater to go na rin kasi siya, no?
Kaya gustong-gusto namin tong family. I also use it for Sun and Sky. Kasi maganda siyang panoorin ng mga educational videos sa YouTube. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ang mga kids ko dito. At Justin, syempre, while watching TV ng matagal or if my kids are at home playing, we need something to help us relax and keep the air clean sa bahay. Kasi, di ba, syempre, better be safe than sorry.
Tama. I think I know what you're talking about already. Yung second device na to, Nanay Aisha, no? Pamaypay.
No.
Electric fan.
A little bit better than electric fan.
Ceiling fan.
No.
Ceiling fan that can clean the air.
Okay,
Air
malapit na.
purifier. Air purifier siguro, Nanay Aisha.
Correct. Galing, ha? I brought this, actually. Ito yung Crabtek Smart Air Purifier. You know why I like it so much, Justin? Kasi it's very convenient. Kasi whole room air purification na siya. It has a honeycomb activated carbon filter And especially sa mga fellow Mommillennials ko and mga Aries loves, if you have family members na madalas may allergies or rhinitis, it is a good purchase. Kasi it will help them breathe easily kasi fini-filter niya yung mga air pollutants sa bahay.
Nako, kailangan namin yan kasi lahat kami may allergic rhinitis sa bahay, to be honest.
Oh, really?
Yes. If you can hear it. Okay.
Actually, you can place it anywhere na mas magiging convenient sa'yo. You can place it sa kitchen, if you want na ma-filter yung mga cooking fumes and smoke, pwede yun. And also, if may pets kayo, syempre hindi nyo maiiwasan yung amoy nila. Pag nag-air purifier kayo, it will lessen it.
Oo, may odor elimination na rin eh,
True.
no? Galing, galing, galing. Tsaka it's very easy to clean, Nanay Aish, no? It has a washable carbon cloth fiber at hindi siya nagmamold. Can you imagine?
Yes,
Oh.
tama, Justin. Actually, nakaka-help din ito sa family namin to have a good night's sleep. Tapos energy saving pa siya. Kasi you can schedule it on and off using your phone lang. Plus, meron din tong child lock. Saka mga fellow mommies ko dyan, you don't have to worry about your makukulit na chikiting if kakakalikutin nila yon.
Ayun. Oh, mga Mommillennials, sana nagna-notes kayo ha. What's your dream smart kitchen device that you want to add sa commissary?
Actually, I want the Samsung Family Hub. Tignan mo naman, Justin, di ba? Ang lakas din talaga makasosyal. And ni-research ko, apparently, it will help you monitor yung mga kailangan mong bilhin sa groceries. And maki-check mo na rin kung ano pa yung mga food sa loob niya. At also, magagamit mo din to communicate with your family. Ang nice, di ba? Using yung Smart Things app. And, Justin, ito pa yung mga features niya na magaganda. Meron siyang all-around cooling, huge capacity siya for food and drinks kasi as you can see, 2-door na siya. And also, may ice maker pa, meron din water dispenser. And makikita mo din yung mga recipes, kung mahilig kang magluto. You can also add shopping list. And ang kagandahan pa doon, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng expiry date para hindi mo makakaligtaan kung kailan masisira yung food mo.
Siya yung magta-track.
True. So, perfect to dun sa mga busy moms na hindi masyadong na-check kung ano yung mga kailangan nila.
O, diba? At may tablet dito. Pwede ka mag-ML dyan.
True.
Alam mo, Nanay Aish, tamang-tama na nabanggit mo yung ibang mga features na yan, no? It's also good to mention that you can control the other smart appliances through this family hub. So in other terms, in terms of UI, medyo similar siya sa smartphone mo. But this is the cool thing. Watch this. As you can see, medyo may malaking tablet tayo dito na that's built into the fridge. If you click View Inside, you can literally see the view of what's inside, diba? So we can see here, we have lettuce over here, we have our oranges, etc. And you can also click on them, and then you can add the expiration date. So when you do that View Inside, every time you check it, it can say, oh, this is expiring in 7 days. So malalaman mo na kung ilalagay mo siya sa shopping list mo. O, diba? And you can also add other smart devices here and control them with this family hub. Yung mga devices you can control with Alexa and Bixby. So let's try Bixby, okay?
True.
Hey Bixby, load next upgrade on YouTube. And there you go.
And there you go. That's Justin.
That's me. Here we go. And so just like that, you can tap on it and then it'll play the videos. And so this is very, very useful, especially pag may mga recipe videos ka, di ba?
Yes.
Cook along with me, mga ganyan. Or you can watch anything you want, from your favorite teleserye to audiobooks. Pwede rin. Pwede rin.
Yes, podcast.
Podcasts. Just like that. Tapos ito pa mga Mommillennials, to help you save electricity. It sends a notification sa phone nyo if the door was left open.
Ay, wow.
Diba? Ang galing, no?
Correct, Justin. Siyempre, minsan yung mga bata, makukulit yan. Lalo na yung mga toddlers, hindi nagsasara yan ng maayos. Kaya naman talagang ang laking tulong ng function ng smart ref na yan.
Ganda. Ang ganda talaga. But speaking of, ano ba yung smart kitchen device na madalas mong gamitin sa bahay?
Glad you asked, Justin. Eto, mga Aries loves and mga Mommillennials na nanonood. If busy kayo masyado to cook, merong smart device na pangmabilisan but still produce high-quality meals. And ito yung Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer. Yan ang kakampi ko sa bahay.
So ano naman yung mga favorite dishes niyo as a family?
For us, anything naman talaga gusto nila kasi we're foodie. Pero yung mga kids, they're excited pag snack time. Yung mga french fries, ayan. Yun yung mga favorite nilang ginagawa. And also, yung ginagamit namin yung air fryer with that.
So, french fries sa air fryer.
Yes, it's much healthier actually. Kasi no need to use oil. Tsaka sa mga mommillennials ko dyan, kapwa nanay ko, yung talsik ng mantika, maiiwasan mo na yun.
True.
Kasi
Sa
mas
loob na
safe siya. Yes, tsaka even the kids, they can prepare it with themselves.
Ako, that's true, Nanay Aish. And actually, every year kasama yan sa New Year's resolutions ko to eat clean and healthy. So maraming salamat sa mga recommendations and nakalista na yan. As well as yung mga recipes mo.
Glad I can help, Justin. Ganyan naman kami mga nanay. We only want what's the best for the people we care about. And syempre, we don't just cook for the people we love, but also to our
fur babies!
Yes, we want the best for them. Kaya lang ngayon, madalas kaming wala sa bahay. Kaya naman, I love this automatic Crabtek Pet Feeder.
And we love featuring this here on Next Upgrade. Ayan na siya. This is our Crabtek Automatic Pet Feeder, Nanay Aish. Bakit sa tingin mo okay siya?
For me, for us, lalo na sa amin na lagi kaming wala sa bahay, we can schedule yung feeding time ng pet namin. So, very convenient siya, lalo na sa mga busy yung schedule. So, mapapakain niyo pa rin yung pet niya. So, worry-free.
And dahil may schedules yan, may mga automatic schedules, you can actually train your pets to follow a specific feeding schedule
Yes.
using this, no? So, what's your favorite feature of this thing?
You know this one? Actually, camera yan siya.
Oh, sige, selfie tayo.
Yeah. So, makikita nyo pa rin yung mga fur babies ninyo kahit nasa malayo kayo. So, mache-check nyo sila from time to time.
So, kapag namimiss mo sila, you can check it in the app.
Yeah, sa smartphone nyo.
Galing. Okay, before we end today, Nanay Aish, sabi mo kanina, you have a CCTV.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, you also have a smart TV. But I just found out na wala kang smart hub.
Wala.
Wala
Actually,
pa.
that's on my wish list. Gusto ko na ang Apple Pod.
Apple HomePod.
Apple HomePod,
Okay.
yes.
So if you watch Next Upgrade, that's a key thing that we always recommend here is to have a smart hub like a Google Home Mini or an Amazon Echo Dot or an Apple HomePod as a
Yes.
smart hub to control everything. At magandang speaker din siya.
Wow.
Diba? Para may voice assistant ka para sa buong bahay mo. Diba?
That's nice.
So I guess that's next on your wish list. Apple HomePod.
HomePod.
And that's it. Thank you so much, Nanay Aisha, for your top picks. Grabe, lahat ito. Energy and time saving. And very, very affordable na rin for all of its features.
I agree, Justin. That's why I also brought this for my Aries loves to see na they can upgrade to smart devices. Kahit yung mga kailangan lang muna talaga nila na alam nilang magtatagal sa bahay. Yung once lang kailangan bilhin pero long-term benefits na. At pwede pang manahin ng mga anak nila.
I love it. Maraming salamat, Nanay Aisha. And hope you come back to the next upgrade set.
Yes, I enjoy.
soon. And to all of our viewers here, list these devices down for your home and tune in to our next episode. We release a new one every single Sunday, so don't forget to hit that notification bell for notifications and subscribe for more. See you, neighbors.